Hi, my name is Fred Price with Lauren Homes. I'm in Northwest Cape Coral, Florida, and I'm out checking out one of our new construction projects. What I am looking at today is the plywood on the roof here. The framers were out this weekend. They installed the plywood. The next step for this is to call a sheathing inspection. So an inspector will come out, double check all the plywood, make sure all the proper clips are there and it's positioned correctly on the roof trusses, which are underneath supporting that plywood. Once that is done, then the roofer will come in, and what they'll do is they'll put a moisture barrier membrane on top of that plywood, and that would be considered our dry-in. So step one's come out for us to take a look at the plywood, make sure it's all installed correctly, then call the inspector for the sheathing inspection. They'll come out, give us the thumbs up, and then we'll dry the roof in with the membrane water sealing the plywood there. If you're looking to build a new home in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area, look us up at Lauren Homes, www.lauren-homes.com.